Light can be gentle, dangerous, spring-like, harsh, calm and soft. But most importantly, light is good from whatever lamp it shines. It is our privilege and our adventure to discover our own special light. Celebrating 100 years of spreading light, celebrating 100 years of care, of love, of hope and of well-being. Celebrating 100 years of association. Celebrating 100 years of the Trained Nurses Association of India. On her feet 24 hours a day, toiling endlessly, giving what comfort she can, caring and nurturing, giving shelter from the storm. Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, the ministering angel, spread the light of love that still burns bright. Her lasting contribution has been her role in founding the modern nursing profession. She set an example of compassion, commitment to patient care, and diligent and thoughtful hospital administration. Carrying forward the tradition of selfless care and commitment, nurses today are the heartbeat of healthcare. And walking with them at every step and turning point is the Trained Nurses Association of India. A small band of visionary and pioneering women saw the need to develop nursing as a profession. The movement gathered momentum, and in 1908, a decision was taken to establish the Trained Nurses Association with the following objectives: upholding in every way the dignity and honor of the nursing profession, promoting a sense of esprit de corps amongst all nurses, and to advance professional, educational, economic and general welfare of nurses. Today, TNAI has come a long way. With over 2 lakh nurses, 85,000 student nurses, 5,500 auxiliary nurses and female health supervisors, TNAI has become a major link between nurses all over the country and abroad. TNAI's activities cover a broad spectrum of healthcare fields, growing by leaps and bounds by the year. In 1994, TNAI undertook the HIV/AIDS project in collaboration with the American Nurses Association. Then, in 2001, TNAI and UNICEF got together for a project on reproduction child healthcare. In fact, TNAI has been instrumental in launching National Safe Motherhood Day on April 11, 2003, in collaboration with White Ribbon Alliance of India for Safe Motherhood. Besides these, TNAI has collaborated with WHO, SIDA, CEDPA, Indian Red Cross Society, Indian Public Health Association, Indian Leprosy Association, and the International Council of Nurses, to name a few. Another feather to her cap is the Student Nurses Association, established in 1929. The SNA is a nationwide organization comprising of a vast student nurse members body with a wide variety of activities derived from the professional, social, on overall healthcare available to all in the country. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Through the years, the nursing fraternity has tirelessly, selflessly worked towards that overall well-being. from a small group of determined nurses to today's confident, well-rounded professional body, the nurses of today are raring to go. But the fight for a better tomorrow continues. With pride and honor in their past, self-assurance in the present, they look ahead towards a bright and promising future. After all, she is the hospitality of hospitals, the heartbeat of healthcare. A nurse always gives us hope, an angel with a stethoscope.
In the arms of the angel you find.
Let's join together to celebrate that angel, her many forms, her many faces, her many graces. Let's celebrate 100 glorious years of care, for an angel looks down at us, silently smiling. Let's tell her 100 years have gone by, carrying forward her light. And let's promise her to carry it forward for many, many more centuries to come.